Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing and talking about all the details in this year's 2020 GLOSSYBOX Advent Calendar. 25 days of beautiful makeup products all in one jumbo box. So if you want to see all of the spoilers on what's inside this box, a lot of the products I'm actually familiar with, so you'll get some mini reviews as well. Make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 or 4 times a week. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me and unbox 25 makeup goodies, stay tuned. Now, I do want to say this is not sponsored in any way, but it was sent to me for reviewing purposes, and there is going to be a link in the description box with a discount code, so if you guys did want to pick up the Advent Calendar or GLOSSYBOX in general as a subscription, you will be able to do it at a discounted rate. It is not a commission code. I'm not making any money off of it, but when the brand offers to give me a discount code, I always share it with you guys because why not save you guys a few bucks here and there? Now, this box does have over $500 in product inside. It does retail for $99, and it is currently available for pre-order, so they will be shipping later, I believe, in the month. But today we're going to be jumping through all 25 items. So spoiler alert, you are going to see all 25 items within this. It also comes with a cute little book with all of the info inside on each product. The box itself, I'm going to be completely honest, is huge. And within, there are 4 drawers, and in each of these drawers, there are these really cute numbered boxes. So I'm going to go through, and we are just going to unbox each and every box in here and talk through all of the products, starting with number 1. Now, to make my life easier, I'm not going to be opening the drawers every time. I'm going to pull out and stack the boxes in front of me just to make my life a little easier, but just know everything is in these cute little drawers, and then you have this cute little display box to use. All right, all of the boxes are right in front of me. Time to jump into day 1. Product number 1 comes from Makeup Revolution. This is the Incandescent Face Quad. Get a fresh, radiant glow with 4 shades of shimmer, perfect for any skin tone. This vegan and cruelty-free palette even comes with a mirror for on-the-go touch-ups. Tip, you want to highlight the places you want to stand out: cheekbone, eyebrow arches, tip of the nose, and collarbones. Retails for $15. So for day 2, this is the Illamasqua Illustrator Pen Super Fine Tip Eyeliner that makes clear to fine application for the fluid consistency. Means that your look can be completed with a single stroke. Retails for $28. Tip, begin at the middle of your eyelid instead of the inner corner for a more open and natural look. This video is already going to be really long, which is why I'm not like swatching everything. Plus there's some duplicates that honestly you could do a whole face. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see a whole face demoing all of these products. But for today, we're really just going to unbox and talk through them. Next from Vanilla Co. This is the Clean It Zero Cleansifying Balm Purifying. Okay, so the name, kind of weird, but transforming from a balm to an oil to emulsifier, this is the perfect companion to a nighttime routine. After a holiday soiree, removing any and all makeup, you'll be ready for your beauty sleep in no time. Gently massage in circular motions onto dry skin, rinse with warm water, wipe with a damp cloth. This deluxe mini retails for $3.50. The full size is $24. Day 4 is from Ona, New York. These are the All Eyes on Me Illuminating Eye Gels, retail for $7. Instantly lift, hydrate, cool, and depuff your eyes with these radiant illuminating eye gels. Best part, they will not slip or slide down your face, making them easy to wear while prepping for the holidays. Place in the under eye area and leave on for 10 minutes. After removing, pat the serum into your skin. I haven't used this specific eye gel, but you guys know I do love eye gels for giving you a nice depuff early in the morning or before your day. Number 5 is a deluxe mini of the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar perfume, which smells absolutely beautiful. I used to work in Sephora, and this was probably the best seller we had there. A deep variation of the Viktor & Rolf iconic Flower Bomb fragrance, this Eau de Parfum fruity, floral, and explosive scent comes from black currant, bergamot, orange flower, vanilla, and a hint of gunpowder. Spritz onto the neck and the inside of the elbows for a long-lasting effect. The deluxe size is $23.69, $120 for a full size. Number 6 is a product I'm actually very familiar with, as it did recently come in a BoxyCharm box. But this is the Tarte Cosmetics Micellar Magic Makeup Remover. I have used this product before, and I can tell you it is super gentle for removing your makeup, especially eye makeup. Too tired for a full skincare routine? The micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes any type of makeup, excess oil without stripping the skin's natural moisture. It's quick and easy, so you can go straight to bed. Soak a cotton pad with cleanser and swipe all over the face to remove makeup. Retails for $18. What I will say is, do not listen to what that just said. This is not enough. After you cleanse with this, you still need to wash your face because a makeup remover and a cleanser, like you'll have to go over this 2 or 3 times with this to get all of your makeup off, and you still want to follow with your serums and your moisturizers. Like, public service announcement, great product, but don't listen to them when they say that it's all you need. Number 7 is actually a product that I have been using for a few weeks already. It is in my bathroom. This is the GLOSSYBOX Skincare 3-in-1 Moisturizer. Now, I'm very fortunate. My friend Jody G got like 3 of these, so she did give me a bunch of GLOSSYBOX Skincare. I am obsessed with like all 5 of the cleansers, and they are all literally lined up in my shower as we speak. But the 3-in-1 moisturizer is super gentle and it's super easy. Also, I love that it is in a squeezy tube for sanitation, so you don't have to deal with a jar. For me, I just always prefer something in this kind of packaging. This retails for $28 for non-subscribers, $22 for GLOSSYBOX subscribers. Ideal for normal to combination skin. I'm combo leaning oily, so it does work for me. 3-in-1 moisturizer plumps, protects, and primes complexion for one application. Moisturizes your skin and creates a great base for your makeup. Number 8 is from Daily Concepts. This is the exfoliating dual texture scrubber. Buff away impurities with this dual texture scrubber. The natural cotton-based layer with nylon exfoliates, loops, and a soy-based foam interior makes it perfect for all skin types. Use in the shower with your favorite body wash. Remember, smart technology will alert you when it needs to be replaced. Look out for fading on the label. Retails for $5. Now, I've used several Daily Concept items before, and I've been really happy with all of them. I got the dry brush in my Bella Skin box, and that was actually really nice, so I can't wait to give this a try. For day 9, this is the Lee Stafford Hair Apology Intensive Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. Time to say sorry to your hair. This multitasker rehydrates and rehabilitates damaged hair, leaving it hydrated, detangled, soft and smooth, and even preventing further heat damage. So it's a heat protectant as well. Retails for $21. I'm going to link a video up here of my current hair routine because some of you have been asking about it. And I did mention that video. I was out of a heat protectant. So I'm very excited to give this a try. Day 10 is from Freeman Beauty. It is a lovely neck firming and smoothing sheet mask and a melting sugar face mask. This duo is the perfect treat for both your face and neck. Grapeseed and peach extracts work to tone and hydrate your neck, while real sugar and rose extract make your face hydrated and glowy. Apply both masks to clean dry skin for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse off the gummy bear gel mask with warm water. Rub any extra serum from the sheet mask into your neck. They retail for $3.99 a piece. Day 11 is the Style Dry Turban Shower Cap in Cotton Candy, which is a really pretty pink. Don't want to wash your hair every day? No problem. Keep your hair dry and frizz-free with this super cute shower cap that won't leave elastic imprints or marks. Tuck even the smallest strands into your cap before stepping into the shower to avoid frizziness. Retails for $26. Now, I've never used a shower cap, but I'm kind of interested to see how it would work because I shouldn't wash my hair every day, but I totally do. Next up from Avant Skincare, which I have used their moisturizer as it came in a BoxyCharm. Super pricey. This is the 3-in-1 Hyaluron Filler Collagen Eye Formula. Revolutionary formula contains signature ingredients to even out all signs of aging while maintaining a mattified complexion. Perfect before applying under eye concealer. Apply morning and night onto clean, dry skin and around the eye area. Remember to be gentle around the eyes. Retails for $125. With eye creams, a little goes a long way. So this is like a several month supply. I'm excited to try this out because I do get very greasy in this area. So I think this will help to control some of those oils. Next up from Rodial, which I knew was going to be in this box because they are doing a limited edition Rodial box, which is actually really exciting because it's quite a fun brand. But this is the Vite C Brightening Cleanser. Promoting a brighter, smoother complexion, the cooling gel transforms to a silky foam to cleanse and refine your skin. Travel size retails for $10. The full size is $49. Vitamin C is one of those ingredients that is considered to be a mandatory ingredient for all skin types. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it does keep crap and gunk out of your skin, but it also lightens, brightens, and tightens. Lightens up pigmentation like dark spots and age spots. Brighten, as in getting rid of the dullness of your complexion, and tighten, as in helping to reverse the signs of aging or preventing premature sagging and droopiness. Numbers 14 and 15 are both items I'm very familiar with as I have used and own both. The first is the Wander Beauty Mile High Mascara. Retails for $26, formulated with a blend of nourishing and conditioning lash-loving ingredients. This will take your lashes to higher volume and fullness. And for 111 Skin, it is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This mask is a hydrogel formula containing 24 karat gold and damask rose, so your skin will be calm and illuminated. Retails for $32. Both of these items are wonderful. I will say the mask, above all else, is super calming and soothing on the skin, so I do enjoy it. And the mascara does have a really cool curved wand for really getting to every single lash fiber. Number 16 comes from Evio Beauty. These are the Cleansing Hemp Wipes, biodegradable and multitasking wipes. They retail for $10. I'm going to be honest, this is the first item in here that I don't really love. I have used these before. They're a little harsh for my taste. I prefer something a little bit softer. But it is also personal preference because I know there are people who love these wipes. From Crabtree and Evelyn, this is the Smooth and Refined Body Lotion. The Deluxe Mini retails for $4. Dual action smoothing and brightening formula. The body lotion is double duty on dull, dry skin. Apple AHAs refine the skin's texture, while black currant seed and shea help to hydrate. And from KVD Vegan Beauty, this is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Retails for $21. Mine is in the shade Hawkwind. A pop of color to your holiday season looks. This vegan, cruelty-free, long-wear, high-pigment lipstick has a smooth matte finish, all-day lightweight comfort. Apply after using a lip scrub and balm to avoid the appearance of dry lips, and it'll last longer. What I will say with this is all of those claims are true, but if you put on too much, it will actually peel and flake right off of your mouth, so go in with very light layers. You don't need a lot. Next up from LA Splash, these are the Duo Brush Set, retails for $15. Dynamic Duo provides precise carving, shaping, and blending for brows, lip lines, and eyes. So I have never used LA Splash, so I'm going to have to play with these because I'm not super familiar with this product. The next product, however, I've gone through like 3 full sizes of these. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Cleanser. The Deluxe Mini retails for $5. Full size is $21. Fragrance-free and gentle enough for any skin type, this cleanser removes makeup, dirt, and grime. This pH balanced formula maintains the skin's natural acidity, never leaving your face feeling tight or dry. I'm really excited to try this just because you guys know I've been trying to find a replacement for my current eyeshadow primer. This soft, creamy eyeshadow primer makes your eyeshadows go much further, locks in color, preventing smudging or fading. This is the Stuck On You eyeshadow primer from the Beauty Crop, retails for $16.50. And we are in the home stretch with only 4 days left. Next, from Hey Honey for day 22, this is the Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Restoring elasticity while softening the appearance of fine lines and protecting against environmental damage. This deluxe size retails for $21. Apply a generous layer all over face and neck, leave on for 15 minutes, and wipe off. I'm all about masks and firming, so I'm really excited to try this out. For day 23 from Dr. Paw Paw, this is the Tinted Ultimate Red Balm, ethically sourced and cruelty-free tinted balm full of paw paw fruit, aloe vera, and olive oil. Will keep the hydration and a classic red lip you need for the holidays. Retails for $8. And I don't know if you guys know this, later this week I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial up on my channel. I do all of my own nails, but obviously this color is right up my alley. It's not what I'm wearing now, but it looks really close. This is the Nails Inc. Nail Polish in the shade Victoria. This nail pure formula boosts the production of keratin for harder, stronger, and healthier nails. Perfect for drier, colder air coming your way. Start with a base coat, apply the polish, finish with a top coat to avoid chips. Retails for $15. And the last item is actually an eyeshadow palette I do already own. This is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to keep the protective film on it and close this back up because I will be putting this in a giveaway because I do already own this palette. I have done several tutorials with it, which I will link up here. Retailing for $62, these velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for any holiday look this season. Whether you want subtle shimmer, shine, or a bold glittery eye, this palette has you covered. And there we have all 25 days wrapped up into one. Let me know down below, are you guys going to pick this up? What do you think? There is going to be a link down in the description box with all the details on how to get it, as well as a discount code if you are looking to subscribe to GLOSSYBOX. It is not a commission code. It is just something that they offered me to share with you guys as a little thank you for this unboxing. So, as always, thank you guys again, and I will see you next time. Bye!